I want to ask you that is Flutter the right solution for your mobile app startups? So, if you need to find the full answer, just listen to this whole podcast episode because it will not only help you in the startups, but also if you are a tech freak or even if you are surrounded with the world of business, with the world of tech, with the world of software, then this episode is a bonus for you. So Flutter has continuously been coming up as one of the leading platforms in the tech world in recent times and is driving a revolution in the growing world of business. This Google-backed platform has everything to back you up with perfect tools and techniques to develop great mobile applications. The common and constant dilemma faced by the startups and developers while developing mobile apps for the new and comprehensive customers is to choose between the native applications and cross-platform applications. The tech world is moving ahead with a fast pace and is no more limited to just the two operating systems. Hence, it requires a number of more platforms to be served. The cross-platform capabilities of the emerging technologies have made it possible for the applications to serve different platforms with just a single development phase. So let's start with the advantages of Flutter. The very first point is low development cost. Simpler and easier to understand it is. Lesser are the applications to be developed and lower are the costs incurred. The second pro is lower testing time. A single application developed on a single code base takes less time to be tested and qualified as idle than two or more different applications based on different code bases and tested on different platforms. The third point is ease of development. Yes, you heard it right. As discussed earlier, Flutter uses a single code basis platform. It is easy with Flutter to develop applications because it has the code, like its code libraries and a wide community of developers already set up. One last pro I want to speak about is it is effective and efficient. The applications developed with Flutter requires less time to get created and help developers to remain effective during the process. The time taken by the developers also decreases, making them efficient and better at wrapping up things quickly. There are now few points I want to discuss to consider when choosing Flutter. So yes, although the platform is stuffed with a number of great features and amazing aspects that help in making us making up a great application, there are a few points to consider before going ahead with the app development process. The first point is that the application developed on Flutter seems to lack strength and compatibility. The second is such applications are not powerful enough to support highly complex things and may be slow as they operate on code interpreter in place of compiled native code. And these applications might not suffice in the experimental demands of customers as they are programmed with pre-designed widgets and buttons. The outlay of the applications thus developed would be highly different from that of the native applications developed, especially for the mobile platforms such as Android or iOS. Finally, let's discuss about the advantages of Flutter for startups. The very first advantage is overcoming the challenges of cross-platform development. Keeping in mind the major challenges faced by React Native and Ionic, including user experience and performance, Flutter has come up as a new ray of hope to give cross-platform products a new way and vision. The second major advantage for startup is keeping the spirit of entrepreneurship alive. So entrepreneurship is based on the spirit of initiation and efficiency. Enhancing the two with productivity is a major challenge faced by a new business. So it is often seen that businesses who are new in the market fail to balance the growth and thus affecting the efficiency of the entrepreneurs. So yes, Flutter platform is easy and quickly helps small businesses to be productive and efficient at the same time, making it little easier for them to work on better things. The another point is strong backend support by Firebase. So the Google-backed Firebase is what backs the Flutter platform for its storage needs and space. So yes, with such strong cloud storage, real-time database management services, hosting and authentication facilities, Firebase provides a strong backend for the Flutter platform to work efficiently and suffice the needs of the business at one go. At last, I want to say that the Flutter platform is expected to continually grow in the upcoming business scenarios and seal the gaps in the tech world. It is not just the backed up with credentials and documents, but also with the brands and global leaders that make up for most of the tech innovations in the world. The platform is of the cross-platform development type and has a lot to offer than the native and the other counterparts. So new businesses with low budget requirements that are looking forward to growing and expanding with a bootstrapped financial model would get nothing better than Flutter to develop feature-rich mobile applications. So yes, if you're looking for Flutter app development experts, then visit www.mindinventory.com today. And yes, we will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. Let's meet in the next episode with another tech topic. Till then,